Pretty much every video you guys have seen me do is about backpacking, but today I'm actually out in Kenosha Pass, Colorado, car camping with the family, and I'd like to show you the setup. Car camping. I'm gonna show you the setup real quick. And this is just, you know, dispersed camping, free spots. Find you an area and just set up. But we found a cool one. This is up about 10,000 feet of elevation too, so you hear me huffing, that's why. So here's our fireplace, which is cool, very nice. Coming over to the cooking spot, where we've got the Coleman stove and the Coleman oven, so we can do cinnamon rolls and biscuits and all that kind of good stuff, as well as just this view out here. All right, so moving away from that fire, up here, you know, we've got the cabin tent. Definitely not a backpacking tent, but what's cool is that thing's 14 feet by 10 feet. Sleeps 5 of us, no problem. We've got a heater, keeps it nice. And if we move this way, you can see our facilities, our restroom. Kind of tucked away back here. All right, and so this serves for the potty. We've got a luggable loo in there, which is a bucket with a seat. And then we also have shower, pressurized water that we can use for hot showers out here, which is nice.